going on, you guys? We're doing an unboxing of a fidget spinner. And as you see me, what are you guys doing? Really? They're under the table. As we drop the box. It's a Denver Bronco fidget spinner. This is my unboxing, and then see, it spins. It spins really nice. Boy. And yeah, it spins really nice. And if you spin it on the table, this is what happens. Look at that. It's the same thing. These bearings are kind of different than your original. See, like you can't spin it that much like that. This is not like real bearing. I'm not opening that though. This guy's used to have some grip on it. Well, I hope you enjoy this unboxing. Please like this video. Leave a comment for this guy. What are you doing? Sorry, I didn't. Please like, subscribe, comment. Yay!